The colors look similar through the camera, but the two working cords are green and blue. Take the base cords, leave about 10 centimeters on the side. Attach both working cords. Then start to make square knots. Always move green cord first. This makes square knot with green in the center and blue on the edge. Make 2 more full square knots. Now we make the first slash pattern. Bend the green cord over base cord, blue cord wraps back through the loop. This gives a blue slash. Back to square knots. Always move the green cord first. From here on, each group contains 3 full square knots. Make the second blue slash. Make about wrist size, less 1 centimeter. Cut the extra cords. You will need to burn and melt the cutting point if using polyester cords or cotton cords. Take about 20 centimeters cords. I am reusing the leftover from the working cords. Make 2 to 3 full square knots.